everyone. Today I want to teach you how to make pancake waffles. Please tag along. Let's learn this quickly. See, I have my measuring instrument here. I'll measure flour to the quantity I want. So I will just be making a little one this morning. This is the quantity I want to make. So you pour it in your bowl. I have also measured my sugar. I think this quantity is too much for this little pancake I want to make. I'll just reduce it. Okay. The next thing is my milk. Look at my milk here. This is powdered milk. So I will just use hot water to dissolve it. So I have dissolved my milk, as you can see, using little hot water to dissolve the milk. Now I have my egg. I'm going to break this egg, which I will be mixing with the flour, the sugar, and the milk all together. Once you break your egg, just trying to mix it. So we have the egg, we have the milk, we have the flour, and sugar inside. So the next step now is to mix everything together. So you just put a little water to mix the flour first. Then you can add your egg. Then add your milk and mix it together. I love to add fresh pepper to my pancake, but since I don't have fresh pepper available at home, I'll just use little of blended pepper. You can add it, then mix it again. Remember, we are making pancake waffles. It's not the regular kind of waffles that you make in your pancake using a frying pan. We're going to be using a waffle making machine. Stir everything, and then you can see that it is ready to go. So let's go to the machine now. Making machine. So you open it. Don't mind the waffle making machine. It's a bit rough because I just use it to make akara waffles. So you grease the machine with either oil, groundnut oil, or butter. You grease it. After you have put on your waffle making machine and it's a bit heated up and you have greased it, then you take a scoop of the pancake that you have mixed, and then just pour it like this until it covers all the surface. Pour it on both sides. If you want it very fluffy, then it should not be too hard or too thick. When you have filled it, you can now cover it and leave it for some minutes. Once this green light comes up, it means that your waffle is ready. Sometimes this might not comes up immediately, so you can leave it for some, maybe like 2-3 minutes. Check our pancake waffles now. Voila, we are here. Looking so fluffy. So you can also make your. So try to remove it from the waffle maker. Yeah. Please don't forget to like this video. You can also share it for people to learn, and sometimes it's always good to do things like this to just spice up your breakfast. You can also follow my channel, Augustine Dogo, my TikTok. My TikTok is _DogoBest. My Instagram is _DogoBest. Thank you for watching.